ika'y nabubuhay, pwede kang magdesisyon na pumili ng iyong destiny. Second major decision is what Michael and Joanna did today. The decision to get married. Mula sa araw na kayo pumirma ng kontrata hanggang sa araw ng iyong kamatayan. So it is a lifelong, lifetime decision.
Sa magiging future wife, maraming salamat sa pag-alaga mo sa anak natin. Huwag magbabago ang ugali mo. Sana tayo habang buhay.
Nagpapasalamat ako kasi binigay ka sa akin ni Lord. Tinanggap mo kung ano yung nakaraan, tinanggap mo si Cassie bilang sariling anak na din.
Solemn perpetual covenant between one man and one woman, isang lalaki, isang babae, to live in mutual love throughout their life. It is not based on outward appearance, but based on love. Mahal mo kasi siya.
Prayer ko nga kay Lord, sabi ko, bigyan niya lang ako ng taong pasok sa standard ko. Pero pasok na pasok kasi unang-una walang bisyo.
Joanna Marie Ruiz, do you also promise before the eyes of God and witness by these people that you will love, protect, submit, care, and be faithful to your husband, Michael Padillo, as long as you live?
Yes po, Pastor.
You're my only one love. Kahit hanggang habang buhay tayong magkasama. Thank you and always love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng anak mo at hindi ka namin iiwan kahit anong mangyari.
Michael Rosales Padillo, do you promise before the eyes of God and witness by all these people that you will love, protect, care, and be faithful to your wife, Joanna Marie Ruiz, as long as you live?
Yes, Pastor.
Wall of trust. May kakambal kasi yung pagmamahal. Ang kakambal niya, pagtitiwala. Pag ang tiwala ay nawala, pati pagmamahal nawawala. So you have to trust each other. mapagtiwalaan. Maging transparent tayo. Ganyan ho ang pagiging mag-asawa. You have to be transparent to each other. Para yung tiwala ay buo, dapat meron kayong laging communication. Importante sa mag-asawa, you can give the right message. Wall of love, wall of trust, wall of communication. Love keeps no record of wrong.
Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa aming mag-ama. Hindi namin makakalimutan habang kami nabubuhay. Thank you, and sana magsama tayo habang buhay, habang tayo'y malakas pa.
Habang kayo lumalapit sa sentro together, the more you get closer to the center, Jesus, you'll get closer to each other. Gawin yung sentro ng inyong pagmamahalan ng ating Panginoon. Let there be light. And there was light. We're asking the Lord to enlighten each and every one of us. How important wedding in the life of every individual. And we need also the light of the Word of God. Your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path.
Sobrang thankful ako na meron po akong isang Michael na makakasama habang buhay kasi alam ko po na hindi lang ako yung mahal niya, kundi yung magiging mga anak pa namin. Kaya thank you at sana magkasama pa tayo ng habang buhay.
Okay, by the power vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines and the Jesus Lord Church Worldwide Ministry, it is my honor and delight to declare Michael Rosales Pavillo and Joanna Marie Nanlabi Ruiz as husband and wife.